Hello everyone. Let us see some rain related sentences in English. It's drizzling, that is, raining very lightly. It's spitting, raining but not heavy, and the raindrops are small. It's raining, that is, normal rain. It's wet outside, that is, it's raining. Torrential rain, that is, tropical rain. It's pouring, that is, raining heavily. It's lashing, that is, heavy intense rain. It's raining cats and dogs, that is, raining heavily. It's bucketing down, that is, very heavy buckets of rain. I got caught in a downpour, that is, sudden rain. I think the rain is letting up, that is, rain getting lighter and stopping. It's raining sideways, that is, rain with heavy wind. I got soaking wet. The forecast calls for scattered showers. I'm drenched. It's been raining on and off all day. Thank you.